We are at the Natural History Museum for Dino Snores, and we sneaked in a little bit early to get a few sneaky pictures, and this will be the second Dino Snores that is sleeping under this bad boy right here.
It's a man or a woman whale?
All these questions tonight will be answered, hopefully. Why am I bouncing? You got Yoga Poser UK, Kate Dutt Ovens, London's Best, my next eat, my next drink. What else is there? Just London's Best. Just London's Best.
Max.
Out in London. I think this kind of summarises the whole night really in one thing. God, you're slow.
Over here we have the giant sloth and a wild Max over here.
So are you calling Kate a sloth?
This
creates a mechanism for one species to have sex only with the same species.
I am from Ireland, so if you're having trouble with the accent, sorry, you're stuck with it.
Okay, he's off. He's off. Humbled by nature. It's not cute. It's like a killing machine. Kate has just given up though. I feel like Kate's lost her carer. Like. Oh, very good. Oh, power stars, pal. Feisty. You did good, Cameron. You did good. It's 1:45 in the morning, and we've been through quite a few of the exhibits, haven't we, Dom? But we've just discovered this whale exhibit actually, which is really big. This is a female sperm whale skull. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Good night's sleep. Oh, it's so bright. It's bright. It's breakfast time. Fly out. How much sleep did we get? Like 3 or 4 hours, maybe, if we're lucky. I think we're done. How did you like it? Was it good?
Really, really good fun.
It was good fun, wasn't it? So
great seeing some of the exhibits that we wouldn't normally get to see in the day. Like the Venom one, that was really cool.
yeah.
I love that.
So that's the end of our night at the museum. It was really good. Nice and early in the morning. All done. Bye bye. So it's Saturday morning, about 9 o'clock. We've just finished, we've lost concept time. We've just finished our night at the museum. It was really good fun. So great to see like those exhibits without anyone in there. Really chilled out, really good vibes. Makes you realise how big the place is as well. Like we found quite a few exhibits that we didn't realise were there at like 2 AM in the morning. So it was good. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hit us up in the comments with what you think. Definitely try and book your night at Dino Snores.